here, show the music and off, fresh around.
Oh, you tell that. This is from the woman and wind up and dance all and tear down dance for the whole. The woman been a take the mic to the woman multi-talented, but you now put it to use. You're in a people too much.
But cheese, you know,
have to depend on people too much.
Keep name girls something. I mean, I the party time I did a rave for the girl, and that's why I said I get a brighty. Nothing. So how would you take up my married life and I go to song out it and think? Yeah, I get
none of nothing that we are talking about. So when you dealing people, me hate that is the way you have girls.
That's very bad, you know. That's desperate.
Very desperate.
Like you never go. Why would you know him as the worst man? Why would you give him that label as not
like when she you look like so you know, so that can go on in a Queenie. You look like Dewey just drawn in pants and come out and have a little sour.
Dewey disappear, because Dewey sharp, you know. I remember I said Dewey sneaking, you know.
You never know.
I said, I lie down and I said, when they see him, they go in the bathroom and she give him a quick body wash and two. How could you dare to say married life no matter what? And I go say, you take the worst man. What are your differentiation of a worst man, dad? Worst man, the man who married to me. The marriage where I fight for when I fight for me. You understand me, trees? But still, and I'm married. But still married. You're rude now, mama bumbo. If you carry a song up at immigration, I make them deport from Jamaica.
No, she have papers. Your mother, the little girl didn't care. She have papers.
Papers.
Yeah.
She grew up as a...
We all know about you, girl. And so I would have split out everything in one song and say go suck you. But then again, if you give her the acknowledgement that you want,
cheese. That's why I not even want me to talk about it. Cheese, I could talk about something new. This is my second time I'm
true. So I go on. Nikki, this say if you link her. You did link her?
I go link her, man. True, me get.
But if you link the woman, I say this day, as you come off, you should have linked the woman.
Me this a link her, man, but you may get a little time.
Guys, when you tag Nicki Minaj, so tag up the queen at hip-hop.
I mean, Saj, me love when she say where Saj is
yeah.
She's after I grab it, that me get ready, you know.
Nah, experience, so they are the biggest thing up in a woman. I care them, I try to get down the woman, just like the fight where you are get, girl. And that Nicki I get right now.
Tell me.
And that me I can look at people the woman life and don't know how the woman feel gets a Jocelyn girl live. Bumber, Jocelyn, carry it. Love her, TC.
Sir.
One next artist, which have a reality show go on.
Okay. Yeah, man, big up Nicki Minaj, man. Girl power strength, she say, man.
I have to look something. I heard I want from Nicki. I don't like big people. I'm a Sagittarius.
Yes, that's why I'm reach out to her. Even though I want the little clothes in her cheese, me know.
Right.
But
if you reach out to her,
let she take her one little time, you get me?
If you reach out to her, the woman I look for you. Remember, say them woman there sometimes they look on phone, you know.
True.
She reach out to her and get the access to her. Like when she accept your message, you can link her anytime. And that you should have do, Queenie. But you never come out for like till late.
It's too late. Listen.
Nicki boss, man. So anytime you link her, she go do the fear. All you do, if you link her, just go under their post and say, check your DM.
Cheese, true. Cheese.
Yeah.
You know, when Nicki Minaj say, I respect you and your marriage.
Of course.
You see that I like that girl power strength is something to treasure. Because she's a top girl, a hot girl, and never flap girl. And the girl can talk good. And away from she have a nice accent, she can reason, she's very intelligent.
Yeah, she's intelligent too.
All her composure, she not try to irritate me. So, look on quality and presentation. And then all who want to get vexed and mixed and say, oh my God, look at that. Look at the Saja Queen.
And the girl get boop off for the life. No, me soon come in. Cute.
She's my dad for come America. I say, Bomba Clark.
Anytime you come to me, Me not ask why you come the right time.
Hey,
At
Tris.
the right time why
Tris.
America.
Me
Yeah.
know over your fire there in there before you know you're not cheese. Fire there and a girl head not good in a cheese.
Hold on, when the person said Queenie next. Cheese no please, alright? Right, remember we done with the dirty junk curve tabat or something else we do now say any girl get a boop and can't see the live and me black your have powers to do say so. Right? Go with me.
But love you some cheese in a ram for black out them dirty blood.
First time I can't bother with negative people them brother. People come at you with negativity and you come and you talk about it and you say negative and negative are gonna clash.
Yeah.
Nobody feel like nobody talk bad boy you come back. Even though I me them say nothing about. But Queenie, I got your back.
Yeah,
in a real life. Yes. The bitch did come make song for me too. So I don't know how you feel about it, but me did feel time. And when me go out and we understand big answer my back after you call me out. So it's my time now for kinda
jump on the wagon.
when I call it now, express my feelings.
Yes,
I'm venting, bitch.
because now them a draw me out. Next thing I gonna sing now. So, me hype, me not press button.
Black. You thought you was who you thought too much. Boop.
Whooping at them blood black. Whooping at the black. Alright, good night, Queenie. Good night. To the girl
What me
here,
a clown
me
a Queenie
never
with?
compete.
You the woman like who know me a clown around, take a black bitch. Come on fire.
Yeah. Government.
Queenie, me not tell me una advice, no little girl. Say run go and go left him and go take a next man. Left him and go take a next man. If you can work it out, you work it out. You see me?
Jeez.
And that me have to say. So if a big pussy girl have a problem with when me say to Queenie, when come yeah.
When you take a new man, what you know what the new man are gonna do until you get in at the new man?
So if you follow some of them girl, you have 100 crutches. Yeah, be a jabbing stabbing in that.
Let's say I'm illiterate. No, them I got tell
I'm not illiterate. Them just eat too much salt and boy illiterate. Them girl know them I do. Them girl know everything what them I do. Oh.
Where you say them a general?
A general them be. Oh.
Enough. Mr. Cheese.
Not tell nobody. Listen to me, Queenie. We don't know what going in the house with you and Dewey. You must know. It will reach a point when you can't tell no more. It not care where how you feel. You just not going to want their own person there. We have to leave that to you. Nobody, not because you come out and you say wagwan and it don't look good to feed them eyes. Nobody know what you're feeling. If you can make it up with Dewey, make it up. And that me been said to do it because me dey on phone and me attack and me know do you hear me.
True.
You see me? And I same thing me tell him. I can't tell him say left your wife because she get too much talking. Brother, me no know when I go through. If you can't work it out, you work it out. If you can't work out, you not gonna separate ways.
Oh, you mean good girl? See me. Me don't know what them a fuss and bust and have a lunch, breakfast, dinner. Tomorrow lunch, breakfast, dinner.
Yeah.
Then them a tell me what them think are gonna happen.
And some of them tell you this, them life is not cute.
No.
Them have the most say, but me and you don't know what going on for them life and them not living right.
Yeah.
Some of them will have a man and the man will treat them right and them get a next man on the side and them drop the man bomb like bad habit. Una